Let's take a moment and do this meditation together. We will cultivate joy today and share our energy with the world. Just find a place where you can be comfortable. It doesn't matter if you are sitting on your bed or on a chair, on the floor. If you want to lay down, just be comfortable. You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes. Just be present with your body and follow what it whispers you to do. Right away, just notice that you don't have to make any effort to go anywhere. All you have to do is just allow the natural feeling of being to be present within you. This feeling is not coming from somewhere else. It's simply here. As you bring your attention only to the sense of presence, here, lots of small little thoughts may come. Don't worry about them. Don't feel they must be somewhere else. Leave them there where they are. To feel joy, you are not trying to get into the position to do something, to move, or to move on onto some other thought, other place, or some other intention. You are simply here, and your sense of being here and the natural feeling of being inside, they are the same. There is no separation. Whatever is felt in your body, just be aware of it. Don't analyze it. There's a natural feeling of being. It may be felt just in that sense. I am. There is a completeness about this feeling. I am. There are no descriptions about it. It does not belong to the past, the future, or even the present. It's just the sense of presence. If you feel a feeling of sleepiness or tiredness in your body, it's okay. Don't identify with it. You are also observing this. whatever images may come to the mind, they are just images on the screen of consciousness. They do not affect you. Notice that effortlessness. You are not in a state of belief. You are just trust. What is being noticed requires no effort. Being yourself requires no effort. Effortless. It is your natural being. Simply naturally be here. There is no one who is benefiting from being here. There is no world waiting for you to come back. Simply, I am here. There is nothing to control. There is nothing to fix. There's nothing to change. Just your natural being by itself. Be only in your being and let the rest go. In this natural state of being, you can move in your body quite naturally and happy. It remains unaffected. If there are some thoughts coming up, do not be afraid of them. You do not need to identify with your thoughts, to use your thoughts. Now feel an empty, information-less, effortless feeling. Feel your body becoming weightless and floating away. The state of pure joy is the state of having less. Now, as you anchor this feeling in your heart, you will see that the quality of the inner silence and inner presence remains like a special energy inside of your body. Each time you turn your attention this way, you will notice this beautiful and peaceful energy. Get used to it, and gradually this current of joy and peace will remain unbroken within you. When your mind is in a natural state of being, you will notice that you don't have to think so much, prepare so much. The feeling of anxiety, restlessness will never be strong within you again. The more you focus your attention in this way, the easier everything becomes, the lighter your life will feel. What you have tasted and allowed yourself to experience in these few moments, thousands of books and words have been trying to convey. This is the feeling of complete and utter joy. As you slowly come back to the room, allow your body to remember this feeling and seal it in your cells. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.